Anoka County's 911 system is getting upgrades to protect first responders from COVID and to protect the system itself if there's an outbreak among 911 staffers. As Mike Johnson reports, it's an essential government function that has to keep working.
It's a question nobody wants to think about, but what happens if someone working in the county's 911 center tests positive for COVID? You can't just shut down the operation.
The place has to quarantine. Everybody that's on duty that day has to be tested and quarantined. And because of that, we have backup dispatchers.
There's also a backup dispatch center, but it's already in use to keep 911 operators socially distanced. So the county is investing $185,000 for a mobile dispatching system that they will share with other counties. Board Chairman Scott Schulte says it's basically a large van equipped with laptop radio consoles.
The mobile dispatching stations are really designed so that we can take our staff, if the building becomes infected or a number of staff become infected, that we can take the healthy people, get them in the mobile dispatch center so they can continue to answer 911 calls.
Schulte calls it an extra step to make sure 911 is always available. Another $125,000 CARES Act dollars are being spent to help protect first responders from COVID when they respond to a scene. It's a software package that prompts dispatchers to ask certain questions to make sure a first responder isn't walking into a dangerous situation.
Has anyone in the house had COVID? Do you have COVID? Is anyone currently under quarantine? All those different things have to be answered, and they have to be done in a certain order to protect the first responders.
Schulte says it is expensive because the software has to be integrated across several systems, but Schulte says cutting corners could cost more in the long run. For North Metro TV News, I'm Mike Johnson reporting.
Another software system the county recently purchased will allow operators to send out notifications to precise areas of the county when there's an emergency. The new system will be able to target individual city blocks to notify. Money from the federal CARES Act is paying for these new systems.